Olá, o meu nome é Jack da Two Dead Frog. Oi, filho. Oi. Oi, filho.
Cadê o nosso arco-íris?
Aonde? Tem arco-íris?
Tem um chão. Olha.
Tá bom, vamos lá.
Arte, pai.
Tá ali? Não tô vendo ainda.
Aqui, ó.
Agora dá pra ver um pouquinho, não dá não? Tudo bem aí, Camila? Oi, Lucas.
Eu quero falar muito com você, pai.
Quer gravar junto comigo? A Mana?
Eu tava junto com você, também, pai.
Tá bom.
Aqui.
Hi, my name is Jack from Two Dead Frog, and this is the third day of tutorials about text animation in After Effects. You will need to download a project in the blog of Two Dead Frog. With this project, you will be able to use a controller to create your animations, and then these animations will be sent to your text layer with the delay that you choose. Don't do that, don't do that. In the animation today, we will use the Z position to create a lot of depth in your animation and edit the path of your animation using the Bezier handles to make a more interesting effect. I hope you like it. In this case, I'm using the simple text. It's a script that applies a controller to your text layer in one click. If you downloaded the project at the blog, you just need to reset your controller. So the first step is create two keyframes at the position property. At the frame 20, okay, another at the frame 0. And in this case, you will set 8000 for the Z position. So our controller will start far, far away. And now is the interesting part. All I want to do is edit the path of my movement using the Beziers, but at the Z position. So to do this, I will enable two views in this viewer and set this viewer to left. Now if you select the layer, you will see all the movement that is happening in the Z position. I will apply an easy in this keyframe and enable the graphic editor. So in this way, I can edit the acceleration curve to something like this. And now I will edit the handles of the Bezier of the movement of this layer in this way. Try to do something similar to this, so it starts laying down and then it's coming and arrive here in the front. The next step is to simulate that the rotation of this controller is following its movement. So let's think on this backwards. So at the end, the rotation must be 0. But along the way, we must adapt its rotation to the path. You cannot use the function transform its rotation along the path that the After Effects have, because it will not work in this case. So we'll have to do it manually. At the end, I will set it to 90 and I will edit the speed curve like this. Now I want to see the animation in my controller. A last detail that we must do is to animate the opacity. Make a fade in 3 frames. In this way, when the animation starts, we will not be able to see the text layer. Our Bezier curve is too high right now. I will fix it. It is out of our composition. I will just drag it like this. So here is our animation. The objective of this animation is show to you how simple it could be to give a sensation of depth when you are able to edit the Beziers of the path of your animated character. Using this thought, you can create some very interesting animations. In Two Dead Frogs blog, you can find the project with all the animations that we will learn in these tutorials and also a written version of this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching and bye bye. That clip right there